Okay.
Hi, we're getting the vehicle clean.
Hi, Mommy. Hi, Mommy. Hi.
It's the first time we've actually washed this vehicle personally. We've taken it through some car washes before, but the first time it's been a family car wash. These little things are actually fun. You know, even though washing vehicles, I don't find it to be that fun, doing it with my daughters and teaching them how to do it, it's kind of fun.
He's doing a commercial now.
You're doing a great job, Avya. I really appreciate your help. You're having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bird poop.
Bird poop?
I cleaned off the bird poop.
Did you poop on the car?
No! You pooped on it. You're the bird.
Well, where are you going to go, Avya? Because I need to go where you're not. We can't watch.
Sudona, remember one time you had to go to pee in the car so bad?
So what?
So you used Avya's diaper.
That was a long time ago. I don't do that anymore, okay?
The diaper was so full.
I forgot about that.
I know that.
It was on the way to Uncle Jay's.
See, these are stories you need to give me for the blog. I'll write them down because one day the girls will read the blog and, you know, they like to know little stories like that.
Okay.
Gross! Bird poop. Daddy!
What?
See, Papa.
Okay.
You're doing good, Avya.
Daddy, Mommy.
Okay, girls, watch out. I gotta rinse.
Okay. Okay.
Go hide in that corner.
Don't spray on the camera. Hi. Hi.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Sudona, do you want to sing the Chinese song?
It's not the time.
Yes, it is.
我家门前有小河，后面有山坡，山坡上面野花多，野花红的火，小河里有宝呀。昂首唱情歌。
And wash again.
Good job.